Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button below and clicking the bell icon to be notified whenever we publish a new video. In this video, we'll show you a recipe to make your pillows as white as new. You'll love it! How do you wash your pillow at home? Have you ever wondered the same thing? Do you know how often you need to clean your pillows? Have you ever washed your pillows in the washing machine? In today's video, I'll share a tip on how to make your pillows as white as new. Tell me now in the comments, how often do you wash your pillows? Did you know you can and should wash your pillows? That's right, you may not know it, but the pillow you put your face on every day can trap sweat, dirt particles, dust mites, and worse, dust mite feces. And if that wasn't enough, it can also cause health problems like rhinitis and asthma. Did you know that many people think of throwing them in the trash? Have you ever thought about it? However, before you resort to drastic measures, consider a few cleaning and disinfecting tricks that will help them look better with little effort. We're going to show you a trick that you should use at least once a month to clean and disinfect your pillows. But before we talk about washing, you need to know that most manufacturers recommend changing your pillows every 2 years. But that doesn't mean you don't have to wash them during that time. Now for the recipe. You'll need baking soda and vinegar. Did you know that a mixture of baking soda and white vinegar will make your pillows cleaner and odorless? These two ingredients have antibacterial and bleaching properties that make it easier to get rid of dirt and sweat stains. Write down the ingredients. 1/2 cup baking soda, 1/2 cup white vinegar. Put the pillows in the washing machine, cover them with water, and add the baking soda and vinegar. Then wash them on a normal wash cycle and let them dry in the sun. So whenever you notice yellow stains and dirt on your pillows, use this trick and keep them clean and free from harmful microorganisms. Did you like today's tip? Let me know if you put it into practice. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.